At the International Military Helicopter Conference held in the UK in February 2025, the Royal Canadian Air Force, RCF, announced a significant investment in new helicopters to enhance Arctic operations. This procurement, projected to exceed 18 billion Canadian dollars, is intended to facilitate the deployment of Canada's future fighter jets while also replacing the aging CH-146 Griffon helicopters, which have been in service since 1992. Until the new aircraft are introduced, Canada will continue to rely on its current fleet of 82 CH-146 Griffon helicopters. Meanwhile, military planners are developing operational strategies and acquiring the necessary support infrastructure to manage potential incidents involving the F-35 in extreme Arctic conditions. Since the initial discussions on Canada's acquisition of the F-35, concerns have been raised about the suitability of a single-engine jet in harsh polar environments compared to the twin-engine CF-18 currently in use. Further complicating matters is the broader uncertainty surrounding Canada's F-35 procurement. The unpredictability of U.S. foreign policy and concerns over technological dependence on Washington have led Canadian officials to reconsider their commitment to the $19 billion contract signed in 2023 for 88 F-35s. Ottawa is now exploring alternative fighter options, wary that diplomatic shifts could jeopardize its defense modernization plans. In evaluating helicopter options to complement F-35A Arctic missions, the RCAF is considering multiple aircraft, each with distinct advantages. The Sikorsky CH-148 Cyclone, already in service with the Canadian military, offers robust endurance and maritime capabilities but is optimized for naval operations. The Leonardo AW101 CH-149 Cormorant, a search and rescue helicopter, boasts a triple-engine configuration that improves safety and range but comes with high operational costs. The Boeing CH-47F Chinook, known for its heavy lift capability, would be ideal for logistical support in remote areas, though its size and fuel consumption pose challenges for Arctic deployment. The Sikorsky UH-60 Black Hawk, renowned for durability and adaptability, could be customized for extreme cold, but as a single-engine aircraft, it raises concerns about reliability in isolated regions. Other potential candidates include the Airbus H225M Caracal, which is well suited for polar and maritime operations but would require modifications to meet Canadian military standards. The Bell 525 Relentless, a technologically advanced helicopter with extended range, presents an intriguing option, though its lack of combat-proven service makes it a more uncertain choice. Alternatively, Canada could pursue a tailor-made solution by either developing a new Arctic-specific model or modifying an existing helicopter to enhance its cold weather resilience. This approach would allow for customized capabilities but would extend procurement timelines and increase costs. The helicopter acquisition is part of a broader long-term strategy, with procurement potentially spanning 2 decades. The RCAF has acknowledged the need for significant infrastructure upgrades in Canada's northern regions to accommodate new aircraft. The selection process will begin this year, with discussions involving industry leaders to evaluate proposals. The goal is to achieve initial operational capability for the new helicopters by 2033, ensuring Canada's Air Force is equipped to meet the challenges of Arctic defense operations in the years ahead.